Please be advised, make sure that you properly identify something before you eat it, and make sure that it is properly cleaned before you eat it, because if there are pesticides on, you can get very, very sick. Mm.
The fungus unit! The fungus is choking the city!
These little mushroom things on the fungus.
This fungus is gonna kill us! Let's get out of here before this fungus stuff eats us alive!
Hey, the fungus just saved us.
Stop fiddling with the fungus!
The fungus.
Fungus. Trust the fungus.
Trust the fungus.
Hey, all you awesome viewers! I am actually a fungus, and I'm sorry that I haven't been putting out content lately. I really have been wanting to, however, I've been house sitting for my mom for the past couple weeks, and that's about to be done. But I noticed these bushes that had berries over by her house. I did some research, and it turns out that they're called autumn olives. Supposedly they're pretty good. They should be edible. I don't know if these are all ripe or not. Some of them look like they might be ripe. Others look like they might not be ripe. That one definitely doesn't look ripe. Anyway, I went ahead and I soaked these guys in warm water and, rubbed them around, made sure to get any pesticide residue off. If there is any, I don't know if they spray the plants around here, but I'm not taking any risks. So, I've never had these before, but I figured it would be interesting if I recorded my first impressions after eating some of these. So I'm going to start with one that looks like it might be one of the most ripe, like that one there. They're supposed to be like a deep red. Supposedly you can chew the seeds. Autumn olive, possibly ripe, down the hatch. Mmm. Ooh. Ooh. That is dry. Tastes like a little sour grape. It's got a seed, very, very similar to a grape. Let's see. So that was a bit tart, a bit dry. Overall good. It tasted like a slightly sour grape. This is pretty good. Yeah, it's got that tart kick to it. So, because they're tart, they might not be fully ripe. Which is interesting, because they look like they might be ripe. I guess they need to turn a bit more of a deeper red. We are just starting autumn, and the fact that they're called autumn olives leads me to believe that they are probably mostly ripe, like, in the middle of autumn, maybe early autumn. But yeah, just started turning autumn weather now. As soon as you bite down on them, they explode. They're really fun to eat. Yeah, they're like nature's gushers. Ooh, title of the video? Alright, here we go. Here's one that looks like it is the least ripe. Let's see if it's any more sour or tart or... Well, I guess sour and tart are the same thing. Bitter, whatever. It wasn't really bitter. It was mostly sour. Definitely a different flip. Oh, wow. It wasn't like as strong of a sour taste, but it was It seemed more sour than anything, if that makes sense. Let me go back to another one that might be ripe. Mmm. Mmm. That is good. That one was definitely sweeter than some of the other ones. Oh, these are really good. Mmm. I would imagine the seeds are pretty good fiber too. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That is the Autumn Olive Experience. They're pretty good. In fact, I might finish these. I might wait a little bit longer to harvest more. Make sure that most of them are like a really deep red color. So they might be riper, more ripe next time. Maybe I'll give you an update. Alright. Bye-bye. Come on, focus. Focus. Come on. Oh my god, come on.